In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Through him all things were made. Without him nothing was made that has been made. In him was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The Word became flesh and made his dwelling among us. Who is Jesus? He came to his own, but his own did not receive him. Yet to all who did receive him, to those who believed in his name, he gave the right to become children of God.
Fill the jars with water.
The master of the banquet tasted the water that had been turned into wine. One night, a Pharisee named Nicodemus came to Jesus.
Very truly I tell you, no one can see the kingdom of God unless they are born again. Everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again, but whoever drinks the water I give them will never thirst.
The woman went back to the town and said to the people, "Come, see a man who told me everything I ever did. Could this be the Messiah?"
I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry. I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life.
Jesus received word that his friend Lazarus was sick. By the time Jesus arrived, Lazarus had been in the tomb for 4 days.
Lazarus, come out.
The dead man came out, his hands and feet wrapped with strips of linen and a cloth around his face.
I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.
Jesus was arrested and brought before Pilate. He was crucified, dying for the sins of the world. But death could not hold him. On the 3rd day, he rose again. Jesus appeared to his disciples, showing them his hands and side.
Peace be with you. As the Father has sent me, I am sending you.
These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Messiah, the Son of God, and that by believing you may have life in his name. Who is Jesus? He is the Word made flesh, the light of the world, the bread of life, the way, the truth, and the life.